Hi everyone. Today I am out and about. I've come into town to pick up a few things. I need to pick up some fabric and also some things from Primark. So I'm not gonna be going far. I'm gonna be quick. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on and say hello first before I go about my day. So yeah, so let's go. I think they sell fabric. They actually do sell fabric in here. I did not know. All right, let me check it out. Where is the entry? Do they have a separate entry? Must be. It's here. Curtains. It's a craft shop. Thank you. Oh, wow. This is madness. I didn't know this was here. All different types of bias tape. Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Hiya.
Hi. You're right.
I'll let you give it.
Honestly, didn't know the shop was here, and I've been driving past here like so many times. It's so amazing. They have all sorts of fabric as well. Let me see if I can get some things from here. So these ones are $2.50 a meter. So I need to maybe buy some of these.
Push it down. Yeah. The next couple of times.
So that's $2.50. So crazy that shop has been there for I don't know how long. It must have been there for ages, and I never realized. So I always walk past it because I always go to the market down there for like fabrics, not knowing that there's actually a whole shop just down there. So it's a little bit windy, and I hope you can still hear me. So I'm still gonna check out some more fabric down there because theirs is a little bit pricey. Ooh, oh, that wind. So that's a little bit pricey. So I'm gonna go there because they tend to be a bit more affordable. So let's see how I get on. Yeah, this is where I normally come to. Oh, it's cold today. Oh, I want some fabric, like kaftan and things, but I just don't know how much they'll sell. Some decent fabric, something like this would be nice. Like this one looks nice, and the color is it's not bad. So if I can get this in like this one would be nice. Hello. How much are you selling this per meter?
250 every time.
How much?
250
250. So that's £5. Do I have enough? And it's cash only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have this in black? Oh, is this the same?
Yeah.
Same material?
Yep.
Same. There's another material that I bought from you some time ago. Let me see if you have it. Do you have this in that color?
This color.
Like this, yeah.
We got this one here.
Yeah, it's a little light.
Yeah.
Because you had this color before with this one before.
No, there was one this and
Yeah?
there's one there.
How much is this one?
4 for me.
Yeah, I think I remember this one before. So should I buy this one or what? So this is 4. Okay, so I think I found what I want. So I just need to get some cash. And then I can come back and buy. This is not bad. So these ones are like £1 a meter. actually quite good. So £1 a meter for this ones here. Maybe I can buy. So this is black. This is my. Where is this stuff? So this is not bad. There's small over here, and this one's a £1 a meter. That's not bad. Oh, that's giving a rich auntie. Imagine this in a kaftan. That is so rich. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this. So just look at this one. It's giving rich auntie vibes. That's so cool. So that's £1 a meter. I'm gonna do a kaftan in this. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, similar. My mom's got that one.
No.
It's not gonna be good enough for fabric, is it? Yeah. All right, y'all. So I am back home and I am warm, so that's good. So I'm gonna go over some of the things that I got today. Let me put this mic up here. And so yeah, like I said, I went to buy a few things, and I finally found. Well, I got a scissors for my sewing, and this one is 19.99, £20 basically, and it has 25-year guarantee. So hopefully that will make it last, because and hopefully it wouldn't dull out anytime soon. So 20 years guarantee. So I'm gonna make sure that I keep the receipt so that. And I also got some fabric, so which is what I'm quite excited about. So I got this fabric, and I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna make with this. I'm gonna make some sort of like a kaftan boo type of thing from this. I got 2.5 meters, and they were like £1 per meter, which is like quite a deal. So that's a good steal, if I say so myself. And I also got this. So this one is also £1 a meter, and I think I got 2 meters of this. Yeah, I got this in 2 meters. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with this. I like the simplicity of it. It's not too crazy. So that, and I also got just a plain black 2 meters. But this was £2.50 a meter though. £2.50 a meter. So this was £5. So yeah, and oh yeah, and the new store that I discovered, the new fabric place shopping. So I got some buyer's tape from them, and I got some threads as well. So I think in total I paid. So for the buyer's tape for 3 meters was £1.95. And then for the threads, they were like 99p each. So I got 2. I know I need some colors in my stash, but I couldn't remember the colors that I needed. So I just kind of like picked up these ones, and I'm hoping that they are some of the colors that I need to add. Yeah, oh. Yeah, I have a lot of gray. So maybe I wish I had this box with me when I was there so I can like top up, but anyway, that's fine. These ones can go in here as well. Got lots of threads, but not the colors that I need. So yeah, and that's that. And then this as well, very useful. And that was pretty much everything that I got. So I got these 3 from that new shop that I discovered. The thread, this, and the scissors. So yeah, that's pretty much it today.